I'm Assistant Chief Yaser Bashir of the Houston Police Department's Patrol Region 3 Command. This critical incident briefing is intended to provide you with information about an officer-involved shooting that occurred in Houston on December 10, 2021. You're about to see video footage that is related to the case. HPD conducts thorough investigations into officer-involved shootings. These typically require investigators to interview multiple witnesses, view numerous hours of video footage, and analyze a significant amount of forensic evidence. It is important to note that we are in the very early stages of the investigation, and we continue to process additional evidence as it is collected, analyzed, and reviewed. A word of caution: the videos you're about to see can be graphic and may be difficult to watch. In addition, these videos may contain strong language. Viewer discretion is advised. At approximately 1:15 p.m., HPD officers assigned to the Northeast Patrol Division responded to a family disturbance call at a residence on Valencia Drive. The suspect was no longer on the scene when officers arrived, but officers were given a description of him and the vehicle he was driving. While conducting the investigation, one of the officers saw the suspect, later identified as Mark Anthony Leemon, at a distance driving by. Officers located Mr. Leemon driving in the area and attempted to conduct a traffic stop. The suspect fled, and officers initiated a vehicle pursuit. The pursuit ended at the scene of the original disturbance. Mr. Leemon exited his vehicle armed with a shotgun and fired several rounds at the officers. Officers returned fire, and Mr. Leemon was struck. Officers rendered first aid until Houston Fire Department paramedics arrived and transported Mr. Leemon to the hospital. Mr. Leemon survived and has been arrested and charged for his role in the incident.
Fire, he's got a gun out the window. He's got a gun out the window, he's coming at the house. No one on it. Oh, one from C9.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Shots fired, shots fired.
Where are you?
The address. Dispatch address. Get on the ground, get on the ground. Turn on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Don't put your hands.
Nice C40, one male in custody. Gunshot wound to the abdomen. Send emails, please. And supervisor. Officers discharge weapons.
Fire, he's got a gun out the window. He's got a gun out the window, he's coming at the house. No one on it.
on your stomach.
I can't. You shot me right here.
Don't put your hands. EMS. Gunshot wound to the abdomen. Gunshot wound to the abdomen. Get up. Get down. Chest seal? No. Get down. Give me bandage. Or do you have any kind of package? What's happening? Are you hit anywhere else?
Just down there, under my black.
Just here. Any other firearms on you?
Nah, I had some BB guns. That was it.
Where's the gun at? He dropped it after I hit him. There's some ghosts. Get it to you. Suspect's detained. We're getting EMS, alright?
Huh?
I got EMS coming, okay?
Firearm, he's got a gun out the window. He got a gun out the window, he's stopping at the house. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Shots fired! Can you back up? Got a rifle! He's down! He's at the side of the house. Get down, move! Get away! Do not move! I will blow you, do not move! Keep your hands up! Get on your stomach!
Can't you shot me right here?
Don't put your hands! EMS. Gunshot wound to the abdomen. Get up. Get down. Chest seal? No. Get down. Give me a bandage. Or do you have any kind of package? It's not bleeding right now. Give me a chest seal. Are you hit anywhere else?
Just down there, under my black.
Just here. Okay. Any other firearms on you?
Nah, I had some BB guns. That was it.
Where's the gun at?
He dropped it after I hit him. Fine. Just a quick pot. Let's go get a seal. Suspect's detained. We're getting EMS, alright?
Huh?
I got EMS coming, okay?